Oh my god! Oh my So, you all know that my G2 2024 is cooked. So today we are unboxing the 2025 G2. We have it right here. I'm really excited to see the changes. Hope that they fix the brr brr issue. Brr brr patapim. Oh my god. It has the same power as the 2024 model, but we have improved braking and looks. So let's unbox it. Yeah. We've got here the legendary unboxing knife. Yeah. Yeah. This actually works. Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, we've got a bag in here. We've got some alien keys and a lot of screws. And the manual. Nothing is useful. Yeah! That's a lot of mess, actually. I don't need the manual. Stay clean, boys. Here we have the charger. 54 volts 2 amps charger. That's cool. Okay, we've got the fender right here. I'm not gonna use it though. And I guess that's it. Just have to take it out. Here we have the handlebars. Ooh. Let's connect this bad boy. Oh yeah. I'm gonna just connect it real quick. Just look at it. It looks so clean. Come on. Holy! This is new. This is kinda new. We've got a different rear light. Damn! Just fell, huh? Okay, just unpeel these. Okay. Ooh. So what do we've got? I can see the new disc brakes. Dude, those are huge. 160 millimeters. That's gonna improve your brakes. We've got the new deck right here. And the new rear stop. To be honest, I like the old one better. Let's turn it on. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Let's switch to race mode. I just enabled zero start. Yo, it actually works. I don't hear any brr brr. Finally. W model, dude. I love it. Let's see, Mr. Clau. I'm gonna throw this box real quick. They're all running away. That's a lot of shit. I have to wash it. Let's go. This is a good moment to see if the G2 is waterproof. I'm washing the G2 at the car wash. Oh yeah. Let's see if water gets inside. Clean as new, baby. I'm doing this because I'm in a rush. It's brand new right now. I also have to disconnect the brake sensor. Come on, top speed test. We are fully charged right now. 50 kilometers an hour, no way. It's not doing brr brr anymore. 52. 54. Not bad. I just got all the required tools in order to fix Klau's G4 permanently. I'm here with the G2 inside the store. Woo. Let's go. What's up, dude? We just found two fans right here. They're twins, no way. They're identical, just look at them. Here we have Mr. Clau, dude. Oh my god. Look at that paint job. Oh. Dude, that looks sick. Damn. Double paint job, dude. Here we have the G2 2025. Yo. Oh my god, that's so cool. Here we have the old completely destroyed spring. And here we have the other one. I have to use this tool in order to cut it because this part is too wide. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, it burns. Gloves. Ooh, doggo. This should not be here. It's still too wide. Way too wide. The white one is so small and cute. You're so dude. Dude, how is it still too wide? For the love of God, just fit. It fits. The screw is too wide to enter the hole. Quick update. We're gonna get those screws from the back and put them in the front. And on the rear suspension, we are gonna use those. It cannot be easier than this. Zero suspension. Ooh, okay. Finally. Ooh, it got in. Get in. Oh my god. Okay, finally, dude. He's got a proper suspension in place. That's kinda DIY, but it works. Just cannot believe my eyes. This G4 is finally ready. Yeah, that looks perfect right there. I don't know. Oh yeah, battery smooth suspensions, finally. He also got here the blue G2 Max. I'm so happy to see that G4 working, dude. You cannot even imagine. All we needed was a flex and some screws. Nah, the G2 Max is faster than the G2. Maybe I'm just extremely heavy, I don't know. Something that you're instantly going to notice on the 2025 G2 are the brakes, dude. They are so snappy. Dude, this is the first Barbie scooter I ever seen in my life. All the pink in there. Wow. W paint job. That's insane. I don't understand this, dude. I don't understand. How can he do it so smooth? He does not even feel like he's doing a wheelie. He's just normally riding it. The G4 is perfect for him. Dude, what is this guy doing? Wait, what? Vlad, the myth, the legend. What's up, dude? He wants to try the G2, okay? Okay, I guess I am the problem. I mean, this guy can easily wheelie. Easily. La polizia, no. Dude, the cops are right next to us. Are they chasing us? No, they are not. Okay. We are safe. Whoa, that guy was kinda close. Green light. Oh my god. Okay, this is one thing that I hate about it. When I see a green light, I wanna be able to accelerate fast. If you don't accelerate fast, cars are just gonna be rude and honk at you and be like, go faster, you piece of shit. That sucks. What's up? Dude, there are so many all of a sudden. Oh my god, dude. Oh yeah. That is such a beautiful paint job, dude. The screws are doing a really good job. But this front thingy, wow. We're gonna meet Mr. Clau and his throttle got destroyed. So we have to fix it. By the way, thank you, Noko. I can see Klau's G4, but where is he? Oh, there he is. Okay, so we found him a new acceleration. We just need to do the wiring. Boys are cooking here every day, dude. Service trottinette. Those people are legendary. We just need to take his throttle off. We've got this thing off. Come on. Here we have the throttle. I'm gonna make it real quick. We just need to take those wires and put those in here. Done, I guess. Now let's try it out. Turn it on. Oh, it works! Put your brake in place. It looks so damn good now. I'm so glad that the wiring worked. And we are just putting everything back together. And he's good to go. Those people are repairing scooters every day. Just look at this. Oh my god. Now Klau's G4 is ready to rock. He's got a new throttle. He's going uphill on one wheel and I can barely go uphill on two. Got no idea if you noticed, but he's also riding in sleepers, dude. Good thing I have a second battery in my backpack. I have no range anxiety. If one battery can go 30 kilometers, two batteries will be able to go 60 kilometers. Math is mathing today. Whoa. Oh my god, dude. What's up? Ah, this guy just got Shimano brakes on his surround. Dude, we are so many right now. Whoa. Dude, this guy is not wearing a helmet. Got two G2 Maxes, two G4s, and one surround. And also my G2. And this guy is wheeling. Dude, everyone is wheeling. Just look at them. All three in a wheelie in the same time. Oh my god, dude. That is so damn cool. We kinda own this street, dude. We are on all three bands. Green light, come on. Oh my god, I'm the slowest one. No! Filtering this traffic is so freaking dangerous, dude. We're laughing, dude. He's laughing about my G2, dude. I mean, yeah, the G2 is not that fun in a ride out for me because I weigh 100 kilograms. But for you, I think it's perfect because you might weigh 60, 70 kilos. So you're gonna feel way more force on it. Is he gonna touch my hand? No! He did it! Whoa! Come on! Wow! That was fun. I think this kid got ADHD or something. Oh my god! Whoa! What is bro trying to do? He's still faster than me! I have to go uphill now. Whoa. How is he doing that? That is so damn clean, dude. What kind of e-bike is this? Wait, this is a gas bike. We tried for 10 minutes straight. That thing is not turning on, dude. This guy wants me to sign on this. Okay, that's it. He wants to try the G2, dude. Oh, yeah. Dude, first try. Perfect wheelie, dude. Perfect wheelie. There you have it. Wow. 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 Dude. It is so easy for this guy. He got his slipper down. Empty foot wheelie, dude. Never saw someone do this. What's he gonna do? Whoa! He threw his slipper away. That thing is finally working. Let's go! Watch this, watch this, watch this. What? No way, dude. He wants to wheel it. Is he gonna make it though? Oh my god. Why is he so damn mad? Whoa! Dude, what? Oh my god! Dude, what is he doing? No freaking way. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High five, high five, high five. Oh. What's up, dude? Dude, this is such a mess in here. We are changing position right now. This guy is obsessed with one hand. He just fell and he wants to do it again. Wow, that car has my name on it. We were recording this thumbnail, dude. He just dropped the freaking G2 in this hole. Oh my god, dude! Well, looks like I'm low on battery. I'ma get the other one. Here I have the second battery. Let's put it in place. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dude, this is a different kind of battery. Oh my god, just look at the difference, dude. By the way, water did not get in. It is perfectly dry inside. Is this gonna work though? Oh. Dude, no way! It is way better actually. It is in a cage. Water cannot get in. 48 volts, 15.6 amps. I'ma disconnect it. Let's put the other one. Okay, it fits, it fits. Bam! It fits! Why are they all screaming, dude? Oh my god. Let's turn it on now. Come on, come on, come on. Please work, please work! Please. Oh, it works! We've got full battery! Let's go! Dude, this design is so damn cool. Let's put it in my backpack. We are good to go. Come on, come on, come on. We are almost done. Oh, nah, I fell again. Let's go! To be honest with you, I'm impressed. The old battery works on the 2025 model. What is this guy doing, dude? Why? His battery got cooked. He just broke. He waiting at the McDonald's line. I don't think that's gonna work actually. He just wanted to take a picture with me. He dropped the entire soda on the floor. I'm sorry, dude. What's up? He just threw food at me. Nah, dude, he's a dead man. He's a dead man. Come here, buddy, come here. Well, that was such a cool day, dude. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. You are absolutely amazing. Stay tuned.